swear this is the perfect morning. A morning where the boys are just sitting around. And me too. Sitting around, uncombed hair, quiet in the house. The best parts of my day are right after I get up. I get to make my coffee, drink it quietly, watch some quiet YouTube videos. Today's a little different. Today we have a dishwasher coming, and the delivery window is wide open. So ideally we're supposed to have the old one removed. I'm supposed to remove it. So I was going to do that last night, but last night got taken up. So this morning is going to be when it's going to go on, which is a better choice anyway, because after a long week at work, I don't think I gotta be underneath the sink, unhooking electrical, first turning the breaker off, and unhooking plumbing, and having a late night catastrophe on our hands. Nope. Let's leave it for clear-headed Saturday morning me. So that's what I'm doing. See how this all shakes out. But in the meantime, let's look back at the boys. Alright, I got that unhooked without it leaking and capped it. Next thing, this line. I removed the pipe and I put a rubber glove and the rubber band on. Alright, we got this shit out. We got electrical disconnected. We got the water lines out. Time to do a little bit of cleaning and prep. Get this mofo into the garage, ready for pickup. Time, probably an hour and a half of careful stuff, including cleaning outside the bottom of the cabinet. My 3-hour estimate's going to be right on the money. Go me. Right, there she be in all of its 14-year-old glory, ready for them to pick up.